What am I doing here? I have class. Hmm? What are we doing here?
Oh, we're gonna see Sanu!
At anong oras? May klase po ako?
I have
Okay
class
lang.
at 4. This bitch has class at 2, and I decided, let's just skip.
Tama. Okay lang yan.
Yes. This is so spunty, but like, I was
Yeah.
supposed to go to class at like 4.
I was supposed to go at class right now.
I was supposed to go to class at like 4, and I was like, okay, because I didn't know na Sonu was going here like today. Kala ko like in a few days pa. Tapos, apparently he's here already, and then there's gonna be yung opening ng 8 seconds, and then yeah, now we're fucking here.
Yeah.
And I
What are we
convinced this
doing
bitch
here?
to absent.
Yeah, like
And I
never
also-
ako nag-a-absent.
And I also convinced Jella to absent. And yeah.
What are we doing here,
So, see you,
Shannon?
see you,
See you, Sonu. Where are we? Where are we? Punta nila? Wait, kailangan ko mag-CR. We are in you. It's recording.
We're really
Your friends? Bakit hindi si Sonu? Ah.
because we're gonna see him.
Ah, maybe. Sabagay. I can't run! Huhubo pants ko!
Wait. Oh my god, you wake up.
Oh, nag-punch chance! Nag-punch! I can't run! Uy, 1 bar na yung battery ko. Damn! Oh! Damn!
This is wild.
Bro, this is crazy. Bro! We are here today. Noah. Damn, damn.
Nagsasend ba? Wala nagsasend sa akin.
Na?
Like anything. Wala akong signal.
I mean, meron ako. Damn. Ang cute, may mga banner.
Okay, pop merch na lang kayo.
May kasama tayo.
Ang laki ng ulo ng
Alicia, what the fuck?
This is my only way of getting views, bitch. This is my only way. Alam mo kung saan pa to galing? Galing pa tong ano?
Tapos may sunod galing Laguna.
Pero ang umalis.
Tako, nag-skip ng class. Nag-skip rin ng class. Tangina. Pati, yun na, itong play area sa...
Tara,
food
doon tayo,
court.
doon tayo. Pwede ba?
Pwede ba? Oo.
May naakit naman eh. Eh baka may kailangan. Ewan, mukha
Hello.
Ha, umalis ka na.
Run, boy, run!
Gago. Tangina, baka ako pa yung mga pagalitan eh. Ako nag-aya sa kanila, sabi ko, ito mo na hinaya ko. Sabi ko, wala, tara po.
Aalis na ako. Aalis na dapat ako for class. Tapos bigla itong gago. Uy, let's go to Mawak. Mag-cut ka na ng class. Putsang na. Ready na bag ko eh. happening? What is happening? Ito na ang view natin. Yung mga tao sa babang so they're so confused. Ang grabe binuhat yung barrier. They're here today. Noah. May banner. Shannon.
Ay, yeah.
Ayun, tapos may isa dito. May isa, no? Grabe yung mabot. Doon ako, malapit ako pinaba. Oh my God. Kim Sana! Kim Sana!
Papa, lumabas ko.
Cute.
Mga dumalaw talaga mga kay Sonor. Anything for you.
Galing Laguna, galing Alabang, nag-cut ng class, nagtakas. Upper box barricade.
natin to. Guys, magdadaan ba na court?
Nasaan ang card? Na, Jungkook Euphoria? Nasaan na po?
Roller coaster yung court niya. May wire ba dyan?
Ayan, may wire ba? Lalabas na ba siya dyan? Nilipad na?
Wait lang, nagpaalam ako. Straight from Asian Medical Center.
Pero di alam ni Mami na kasama kayo.
Hi, tita. Ako po kasama mami pa uwi, tita. Don't you worry.
Okay. Ayan o! Ayan o! Ay! May kinakap yung ano. Yun o! Yun! Yun!
Saan?
Ito. Dito.
Baby!
Ayan, nagpipicture sila. Dams! Sana!
Wait, naputang ina yung suot ko!
Yung buhok ni Alisa. Load! Wala pa?
Excuse me. No way.
What is this setup?
Kasi sa amin na. Sup.
Isa pa. What is this setup?
Main character shit. Saan naka-blue? Yung royal blue
Wait,
ba?
ay doon na. Silip na kayo dito. Singit kayo dito.
Ito, nito. Singit daw tayo nito.
Dito. Si Shannon.
Yo!
Hindi siya yung blue.
Oh, that's not him.
Pink ka siya yung naka-white. SB19.
Okay. What? Naka-Dixon or ilang ba kayo dito?
Who are they?
Wala pa. Masyado tayo siya.
1943. Puta. Priority. Puta mo na.
People are
Priority.
fan meeting with Sono. But this is actually my queue in the hospital earlier.
Nice.
People are gonna think I'm gonna have a
fan meet with Sonu. This is my queuing number, but this is actually my queuing number sa hospital kanina. This is me for like getting my abdominal ultrasound. Dito
Kaya,
ko na
dito.
7 times. I was wrong! That's my Miss Universe!
Oh!
Miss Universe! Mother! Mother!
Damn.
Pwede pa bantay, pwede pa bantay.
Ano na gagawin?
Is he there? Asan? What? Oh my God, Michelle!
Gago! Gago! Tara, tayo na yan! Tara, tara! Sino gusto mo? Sino kaya?
Tara, 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 tara.
Gago! Legit? Gago! Gago! Putang ina! Ayun na! Where are we going? Where are we going? Where are we going?
I
Ano?
think you should buy it. Yes. It's mahal. It's
Lol. Hi guys. So we're in Tabernash. This is after seeing Sonu.